Tesla Hobo here, introducing a new car to the fold. Obviously, it's not this one. You've probably seen lots of videos of the Captain America shielded wheel Tesla P90D. I'm talking about the beast here. This is an early 90s Dodge Ramcharger. Matte black, big old mud swamper tires. And it is custom everything. Come on over here and look. It is a fully custom dashboard. Of course, it's just one of those rat rod type cars where some things are done upright and others are done barely or not at all. But hey, it works, it runs. Let's start it up here so you could get some of the sound. It is race car style. You have to actually flick up the ignition and the fuel. Not just that, a second key, a kill switch key. So you put the kill switch key in, turn the ignition to on, ignition, fuel. Let's light it up. It is glorious. There's everything else on here too. You got your electric control fans on off. There's a light bar on the front. The backup lights also switched on their own, and even the roof lights inside. We'll try to do a video for you at night. It is so bright. It is like the sun with these LEDs. And then you got the four-wheel drive shifter over here. Skulls, they're everywhere. They're mean, they're dirty. Let's take it to the engine. Take two, let's open this again. So I don't know if you can hear me over the roar of the engine, but just so you know, this ain't your mama's engine. No, as you could see, it's got a huge oversized aluminum racing radiator. It's got long tube headers. And the previous owner also decided, I don't want to deal with the crazy electronics. He doesn't want to deal with, you know, the futuristic Tesla stuff. So he said, I'm pulling off the throttle body, I'm carbureting it. Easy, simple, one-time tune, keep it mechanical, and go. And fire it up with some MSD ignition coils to make sure that spark is lit. Ugh. So obviously, the new vehicle of the fold is not going to be doing 0 to 60. It probably can't even do a 0 to 130 unless it's falling from a plane. Pretty much it's going to do fun four-wheel drive stuff. So I'm thinking maybe a tow-off contest with this or the X5, maybe just some fun, crazy videos of it pulling donuts. But check out, well, you'll see a lot more videos of this moving forward. If you like cars like this, if you like cars like that, click subscribe.